Calvin Klein. Dito guys. Andito tayo sa Calvin Klein. Bibili yung shirt natin. Yung design ng shirt guys. Tingnan guys. Guys. Itong design ng shirt. The CK guys. Ito. Black.
Ato kay Richard.
Nang itim.
Ayan, yun lang kay Richard.
Ito ng
Ito,
CK
kunin ko
na
dalawa.
Ma'am.
Ato kay Lawrence.
Daming stock ng shirt. Shorts. Shirt. Daming stock. Ito yung yung hat.
Kuya. What do you want, kuya? This one? Or this one?
That.
This one?
Yes, ma'am. Okay, guys. Nabili yung mami ko ng t-shirt. Guys, so ganda guys.
Sige, kausapin mo si Ma'am.
Guys, CK. Ganda guys. Mukhang may design guys. May pangalan pa guys. Okay guys. That's it for today. Make sure subscribe to my channel. And see you the next